Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add Amazon affiliate links to GoDaddy website. So here I have two tabs on my web browser. So on the other tab, I have my Amazon account, and as you can see, I have the Amazon Sites Try feature. So in order for you to have this as well, you have to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so to do that, just open another tab and you just have to search for Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate. And then just have to click on the website. Then after that, you'd be able to see the step-by-step guide on how you can sign up for an account. So you just have to finish that. And then after that, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. So this is how it looks like. Now that you are done creating your Amazon Associate account, just have to go back to Amazon and then find the product that you are going to use. So before we find products, let's go back to GoDaddy. Okay, so right here. So what you can do now is to go to the store section. You can also edit the website if you want to. But for this one, let us focus on adding the new items. So just go to the store section, then go to the products. That's right. And then here you'd be able to see the add product option or import products. So for this one, just click on the add product. Okay. And then right here, you can now add physical product. So start with adding the image. So go back to Amazon and then find the product that you want to sell. So you can also use a search bar at the top to search for a specific item or product that you want to use. Okay, for example, this one. So just click on the image and then save it on your folder. Okay, so let me just use this one. Now you can close it. And then after that, you just have to get the link of this product. Okay, and of course, do not forget the title. Let me just upload the image first. Okay, this one, and then click on open after that. That's right. So you just wait for a couple of seconds and then click on insert. Now put here the product name and of course the price. Okay, so how much is this product? So we just put here, and then if it has a sale price, you just have to put it right here as well. Then for the product categories, you just have to select your category, and then for this tax categories, you just have to select that as well. Now in the description section, here we can add our affiliate links. For example, type out buy here, and then you have to highlight the text, and you'll be able to see here the linked icon. So we are going to put here the link of the product. So since we already have the Amazon site Stripe, we just have to click on get link. Okay, so let me just dismiss this one and then click on the get link option. So you can get the full link or the short link of this product. So I'm just going to use short link for this one. You just have to copy the link and then go back here, and then you just have to paste the short link in the section. And after that, just click on save. So of course, do not forget the description of the product. So just go back to Amazon and then copy the description of the products. For example, I'm just going to copy this section, then paste it right here. Now when someone visits your website and they find this product, so they have to click on the buy here option or the highlighted text, and they'd be directed to another tab. And when they purchase the product, of course, you can get your commission. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.